Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all enjoyed the holidays, isn't it? Yes. Let me ask one question, my dear students. Yes. Is it? Do you like stories? Oh, it's so simple question, isn't it? We all like stories. What type of stories we like? Yes, we like moral stories. Is it? Today we are going to hear a story about a boy. Now let's hear the story. Choco gets a little help. It is the name of our story. Choco is a boy. Choco was not his real name. He was given that name because he used to eat a lot of chocolates. Every Monday, Choco's dad gave him some pocket money. He called it his Poco. Save your Poco, Choco. Then you can buy something useful. But Choco used to buy chocolates. Choco's mother was worried and his teeth were as dark as chocolate. Choco wanted to stop this bad habit, but he was not able to do so. One day, as he was sleeping, he saw a little man in a large purple turban. He gave him 10 beads and told, "These are magic beads. Every time you eat a bar of chocolate, one will disappear. When you have no beads left, then I will come and get you. In my land, everybody is made small. We eat well, we drink well, we are happy. Oh, and we brush our teeth." In the morning, he found 10 beads on his table. It was a Poco day. As usual, he bought the chocolates. As he came back home, he found only 9 beads on the table. At last, one bead left. Choco was worried because he did not want to be in the little man's land with little people. There were no friends, no family, and no chocolate. Choco was so sad. It was a Poco day. Choco went uphill sadly. Please put my pocket money in the bank for me, Dad." "No chocolate today?" "No, Dad," he replied. Slowly, his teeth were better. He was saving his money too. "I did it myself," he said proudly. And he was happy with all the things that he do. Dear students, what we understand from this story is we have to save our pocket money and we can buy something useful. Is it? Yes. Students, read the lesson again, then you will understand the story more. Thank you.